Okay, just a quick update. This is the little lawnmower blenny. Seems to be doing good. It's been in here almost 2 days now, so he doesn't want to move. I think he's ate too much. But yeah, everybody seems to be healthy and happy. Oh, there he goes. So I gotta give a shout out to KC Mopar. Suggested I put my lights parallel to the scrubber rather than at a 45, which is how I always had them set up, because I'm concerned about all the algae in the sub tank, and my screen is competing with the sub tank. So I put the lights up here, obviously, so they don't get as much light down there, and hopefully I won't have this issue. I'm going to trim my screen at my next cleaning. I'm going to bring it right up. I'll take like an inch or whatever that is off, and put it right above the water line, as suggested by KC Mopar. He's cleaning them. Cool. I took the back off my tank because I'm going to put a new picture on the back of it. Should be here today. I ordered it online. But yeah, that's my update. And that's it. That's my update. Great. Have a nice day, everyone.